This is the Palram-Canopia Balance, the 8-foot wide series. The essence in the same width is built the same way. Before you start, open the boxes and check every part against the parts list. Allow at least half a day and get a second person. Here is what the manual asks for: work gloves, safety goggles, a spirit level and a tape measure, a drill with 7 and 10 millimeter bits, wrenches in 10 and 13 millimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, scissors, and a stepladder. The base goes down first. It has to be flat, level, and square, because everything above it depends on that. If you are setting it on a slab, Palram asks for at least 2 inches of foundation showing on every side. Concrete, pressure-treated wood, a wood deck, or paver blocks all work. Gloves on for the panels and goggles too, because the extruded aluminum edges can catch you. Peel the film off both sides of every panel. Any panel stamped this side out has to face outward, or you lose the full UV protection. Leave the small sticker on until the panel is locked in place. Leave yourself room down both sides, because the roof panels slide in from outside. Do not climb or stand on the roof at any point. And one thing the manual mentions that the animation does not. These are multi-sided profiles, so some of the holes you see are simply not used. Anchor it properly. The Balance is rated to 90 kilometers an hour of wind and a snow load of about 15 pounds per square foot, but only when it is fixed down to a solid base. Palram's manual is blunt about it. Anchoring is required for your warranty to be valid. Full instructions come in the box, and you can download the manual free anytime from the product page on our website. If anything arrives missing or damaged, use the parts and warranty form there too. And if you are still deciding on a size, come and find us at Canada-Greenhouse-Kits and start a live chat. A real person will help you.